match. We have a thrilling game ahead of us, so stay tuned for all the action. The winning team has decided to bowl first. Let's see how this plays out. The openers are stepped onto the field, ready to face the new ball. Here the spinner's top of his mark. Watch for some sharp turn. The right-hander on strike. That's a dot ball. No runs. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? That looks like a really good shot, and yes, it is. Oh, that's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. A good piece of running. They picked up 2 runs. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. The final over is here. The batsman will go all out and the bowlers need to be ready for the onslaught. The right-hander on strike. That's a monster hit! Miles over the ropes.
Out like a light.
Now the replay shows how quickly he picked the length. He rocked back and launched it into the stands. That's a dot ball. No runs. That's well wide. The bowler would need to adjust his line. That's way outside off stump. A poor delivery. He needs to re-bowl that. Wide given. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. Goes aerial, goes over the top and goes all the way for maximum. Oh, he read the ball so early, knew exactly where it was going and sent it backing for 6. Coming round the wicket, That's a wide. Pressure on the batter. Oh, that's a wide delivery. A lot of movement off the surface. Glorious placement. Pure timing. 4 more. Just look at the replay. It's all in the timing. The ball rockets off the bat and it finds the ropes. It's the left-hander on strike. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? What a shot, gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. Change of angle coming back to over the wicket. Made room, picked the spot, and it's all the way. But he read the ball so early, knew exactly where it was going and sent it backing for 6. What a beautiful cover drive. Perfect timing and placement for 4 runs.
Fantastic shot.
It looks so effortless on the replay. Barely any follow through, but the ball just flies to the ropes. A change in the field. Gets the elevation, gets the distance, and what a shot. Not a bad delivery, but an incredibly good shot. The batter seems to be in a hurry here. The final over is here. The batsman will go all out and the bowlers need to be ready for the onslaught. Left-hander on the strike. That's good batting. That's sensible batting. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Only get a single. Good fielding as well. That's a monster hit. Miles over the ropes. Oh, that's as clean a strike as you'll ever see. Right off the middle of the bat, and it's gone all the way. That's out of here. Got every bit of it. Oh, he got the elevation just right. It's gone high and long, right out of the middle of the bat. That's it. Game over in style. 6 runs to seal the win.
Good luck.
Skill issue.
Oh, look at
Good
that
luck.
backswing.
Good luck. Good
Full
luck.
extension,
Good luck. Good luck.
perfect balance, and the ball is out of here. determination on the field are a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence.